not everybody should know. Can be with.
Sure.
Yeah, for VIP politician, we need we need for the
Maybe so if in Okada, so we have an LG floor here. So no need to go VIP room, VIP entrance or lobby. Just you can LG floor you can just come here. So it's very flat.
We can just coordinate somebody there.
So we can arrange the car without car advertisement like okay there. And so private cars and go and your house and pick up. We can handle that.
We can also bring them with our vehicles. So we just need to go out to get in and out without money.
So maybe it's later. Later I can show you how to come inside.
It's okay. I just need a general idea so we can explain to those we were talking to